Well, hello everyone. My name is Emerson Travalini from the marketing department of eDirectory. And today with me there is Gabriel, also from the marketing department. Hello, Gabriel.
Hello, everybody. Hi, Emerson.
Hello. And today we're going to talk about AdSense alternatives to monetize your websites. But first, here are our contact information. So if you want to send us an email for any topic related to this webinar or no, we are happy to answer any questions you may have. And our next event schedules will have a discussion about building a successful niche directory, and still on May, the online directory business model, how to pitch your online directory, and on June 26th, the eDirectory apps. You can register at edirectory.com/webinars. For those new here, just a quick background on the eDirectory platform. It's a software, the software we sell, it fits sites for any industry, vertical or purpose. It's highly customizable. We have the page editor, the listing templates editor, so you can create custom fields and create the project that fits your idea. We have also an integrated app builder that builds native apps for Apple and Android, so you can publish your directory as an app on the official stores. It's SEO optimized, and we have the version for source code available. If you have some needs for a highly customization, you can purchase the source code and host it on your own server. And if you need, you can visit eDirectory.com and schedule a private demo. Okay, so Google AdSense alternatives to monetize your site. Now I'm going to turn over to Gabriel. He's going to run the presentation. So let me just stop sharing my screen so he can start the presentation. Gabriel, please.
Okay, just a moment. Let me share my screen here. All right, I think you guys can see my screen right now. Okay.
Yes.
So, all right, so these are the topics that we are going to cover on today's webinar. Okay, so we're going to talk a little bit on the directory options for monetization. Also, what is the Google AdSense tool and what it does, and why you should consider other alternatives instead of Google AdSense. Then we're going into a hands-on demonstration on how you can implement banner ads created on Google AdSense or any other provider into eDirectory. And then we're going to a conclusion and then for the Q&A session, all right? So, okay, welcome to, okay, so in this webinar, we're going to explore alternatives for Google AdSense for monetizing your website. So we will delve into various options beyond Google AdSense and how they can be considered as an extra revenue stream for your eDirectory website. So start with the eDirectory monetization options that comes in out of the box, let's say. So let's start by understanding the diverse monetization options available within eDirectory. Of course, you have to start with the listings, which is the core module of eDirectory for monetization. It allows sponsors to create and manage listings of businesses or services within your directory website. Users can include details such as descriptions, contact information, images, and more, making it easy to visitors to find relevant information and make informed decisions. And after that, we have the classifieds module that enables users to post advertisements for goods, services, job applications, and so on. You don't have to be an advertiser to publish a classified. You can do it without having any strings attached to, let's say, a company that you may have in the listings module or your sponsor may have. Any type of user can purchase a classified and publish whatever they want to offer, a service or a product. It provides a platform for users to showcase their offerings, reach potential customers or clients, and facilitates transactions or interactions within your directory ecosystem. Next up, we have the events module that facilitates the promotion and the management of events within your directory website. So users can create event listings with details such as dates, time, location, ticket information, images, videos, and much more. Then you have the articles module that will empower users to publish informative content. such as news or blog posts that are relevant to your directory's audience. And the main topic of today's webinar, which are the banners. So the banners module allow users to integrate and manage banner advertisements across your directory website. So users can control the placement, design, and the targeting of their banner ads, enabling monetization opportunities and promoting relevant products, services, or brands to your audience. So that means these are all modules that you can, let's say, charge for your sponsor to publish content here. You can promote events, articles, and all of that. You can create bundles to sell for different prices in different tiers. So where you can combine these modules to make more revenue out of your online directory. So talking about the focus of our webinar is the banner ad system of eDirectory. So eDirectory offers a robust banner ad system which provides a widget-based placements. So it's super easy to insert a banner on your website because it's all widget-based. So if you have designed your directory with our built-in drag and drop editor, you might as well be familiar with the widgets that we have there. So it's the same thing. You can use the widgets to display your banner ads, whether they are Adsense or graphic banners or text banners. They have adaptable settings. eDirectory also supports the 5 industry standard sizes, which are these ones that I'm showing right here. So you have the leaderboard, the large mobile banner, the square banner, the skyscraper banner, and sponsored links. Sponsored links are those ones with just text to no images. And also, just as a side note here, we have a widget called the custom content widget that you can include both image or scripts banner, which is the one that we actually use for Google AdSense and its alternatives. And what is the Google AdSense that we're talking about? So before we explore the alternatives, let's briefly touch upon the Google AdSense and what it is. So it's a pioneering advertising program launched in 2003, offers both text and graphic ads, utilizes the Google Display Network, which is a group of more than 2 million websites, video, and apps where your Google ads can appear. It provides earnings ranging from 0.2 cents to $2.5 per 1,000 views on average. Okay, that might be considered because every industry has its own average of earnings. Okay. And you also can block your advertisers' URL on your website. So if you run your directory, you don't want your competitor to show up as a banner on your content, so you can block your competitor URL as well. Okay, so it's a pre-established platform that has been around for 20 years. So having all that, why should I look for alternatives to Google AdSense? So while AdSense is popular, it's not the only choice. So here's why you might consider diversifying your income streams. So there are over 20 alternative platforms that are available in the market right now. And I think that the goal here is diversification that will reduce the dependency on a single revenue source. So if you're an entrepreneur, you might as well know that you not always have to trust your marketing budget and your ads budget to using only one platform. That in this case, Google AdSense. There are alternatives that will allow you to target more specific niches and more effectively and cheaper than the Google AdSense. So you can spend your money, your budget wisely than just spreading around with Google AdSense. That's why I think you should consider other options. And we've gathered here 8 of these over 20 alternatives. We picked 8 that we think that are the best for our niche, which are online directories. So let's explore a little bit more on these alternatives. So I think the most known one, aside from Amazon, is going to be media.net. So the best usage for this platform would be the contextual advertising, which is similar to AdSense, that's suitable for content-focused websites. So niches targeted are blogs, news sites, content-driven platforms, and the earnings, they might vary from $1 to $3 per 1,000 views. So right here, you can see the difference between media.net and Google AdSense. This one pays a little bit more per 1,000 views on average. And this one is aimed more to content websites such as news blogs, content-driven platforms. Next up, we have Adversal. The best usage is for display advertising with a high CPM rate, which is cost per million rates, which is ideal for websites with a decent traffic. So you already have established a decent traffic website. This could be a good option for you. The niches targeted are technology, finance, and entertainment, and the earnings, in average, they fluctuate around $1 to $3 per 1,000 views. Next up is Propeller Ads. It offers various ad formats, including pop-up, unders, push notifications, native banners, suitable for a diverse website types. It niches targeting gaming, entertainment, and viral content. Average earnings are from 0.5 cents to $2 per 1,000 views. Next up, we have the Sovereign, formerly known as Big Link. Fast usage, in-text affiliate marketing, converting existing links into affiliate links, suitable for content-heavy websites. Niches it target are e-commerce, product reviews, and recommendation sites. And the average earnings, this one I couldn't find, but because it depends on the affiliate commission rates. So right now, on these 4 types that we have here, we have different niches and different applications for each and one of them. So you could consider, if you think that your directory is suitable for, let's say, gaming or heavy user contents, or maybe you want to send notifications and pop-ups, you can choose one of those. Next up is infolinks. The best usage is in-text and in-frame advertising, ideal for websites with rich content. It targets educational, lifestyle, and how-to guides. So if you have a directory that aims for this kind of content, infolinks could be a good option for you. The average earnings are from 50 cents to $2 per 1,000 views. Next up, we have the buy-sell ads. This is an older one as well. The best usage for direct ad sales marketplace, suitable for websites with niche audiences and high engagement. And the target is for design, development, and niche industries, for technology, for example. And the next step is revenue hits. Best usage is for performance-based advertising with various ad formats, suitable for websites with global traffic. So if you have a bigger online directory that is targeting around the world and you have decent traffic coming in, this one also could be a good choice for you. The niches it target, it's software downloads, gaming, and finance. So it's a tech-oriented ad platform. Then we have the Adstera one, which is similar to the buy and sell ads, which is targeted to technology and software. The earnings range from 0.2 cents to 20 cents up to $2 per 1,000 views. And the last one is Amazon shopping ads. Of course, best usage is for displaying relevant Amazon products on your website, suitable for product-focused websites. So it targets product reviews, comparison sites, and niche e-commerce. So if you're working around the product and you want to drive traffic from your website to Amazon banners, this could be the best option for you. And the average earnings, of course, they depend on the prices and conversion rates. Anything you want to add around here, Emerson, at this point?
No, but we have some questions. One
Great.
from Leonella. Is there any guidance on how much to charge for each of these? It will depend on how much traffic our website has. So there is no easy answer here, because it will depend from several factors. And the most important one is how much traffic do you have? Because if you don't have any volume traffic, so you have to charge a little bit less. But if you are on a very specific niche, then you can have a very, how can I say, a qualified audience on your website, so you can charge more. But it will depend on case by case. Another question from And Anias, do we need to apply for affiliate marketing for each of these alternatives? Affiliate marketing is a different thing. These are just advertisement systems to display banner ads in your website so you can earn money when people click on these banners. Affiliate marketing is a little bit different thing, but it can be used. We can use the banner ad system from eDirectory on affiliate marketing. But for this, ad advertisement systems, yes, you should be using the ones, not all the ones we are showing, but you can diversify your earnings by having multiple advertisement systems connected to your website. I hope this answers your question.
Well, adding one thing, we also had a recent webinar on affiliate marketing strategies as well. So you might as well check on eDirectory.com on our blog. You're going to find that content there as well.
I just posted the link to the blog,
Great.
director.com/updates, so you can drill down for the webinars and select this topic.
Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead now. We're going to show you how to insert banner ads inside the directory. I will turn over to Emerson so he can conduct the demonstration here. So let me stop sharing my screen. Okay.
Thank you. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Okay, perfect. So I'm going to show you how to use AdSense here, but the procedure to use other tools is the same. So you just have first thing to connect the AdSense or the alternative to your website, authenticate the domain. It's a very simple step. I'm going to show you how to do this. This is my test website. So let me go to my dashboard here. I'm going to log in /site manager. Okay, this is the eDirected website dashboard. We have to go here, promote, and under promote, SEO Center and Webmaster Tools. Here you are going to find this section called Digital Sellers. Now I'm going to switch to AdSense websites. Let me just go back a little bit. This is the dashboard for Google AdSense. Once you sign up for an account, we're going to put your information, personal information, payment information as well, so you can receive the money. And then you have to connect your site to AdSense. It's a very simple steps. I already created my website here, and it's going to show me the codes just so once it's here. Sites. Oh, I'm sorry. Once you add your website, you go here, ads.text snippet, just copy this information here. And then you go back to your eDirectory website where I was showing inside the promote menu, SEO Center, Webmaster Tools, Digital Sellers. Then you're going to come here and just paste your code. This is the very first step to have your website connected to Google AdSense. The procedure is the same for the other tools. They are going to provide this kind of information. We're going to paste here. If you are running an older version of eDirectory, we are right now on 13.4. You can send us the file, this ads.txt file, and our support team will be happy to add this to the server and make the connection possible. Okay? So it's very simple step. Save the changes, and then it's connected. Now I'm going to show you where is the banner widget so you can use that on your pages. Let's go here, the design menu, page editor. As Gabriel mentioned, eDirectory uses a widget-based page editor, so you can create the widgets on the several pages of your website, any pages of your website that are widgets available, including the banner ads and the listings cards widget, so you can have banners inside the cards as well. So let me go here to my home page, for example, just show very quickly how to do that. Let me identify if I have any banner here. Okay, I have one, but let me just add another. Here we have the list of widgets. So we go here, banner. We have three options for the page, which is the leaderboard, which has a specific size, sponsored links, which are text links for the banners, not just an image, and the three rectangle ad bar. For AdSense and other script-based ads, you are going to use always a leaderboard or this rectangle or a square banner. Square banners are displayed inside the listings and cards widgets, which I'm going to show you right after. So just select one widget so you can edit it, just change the background color, and that's it. What I did here, I just created a banner slot on my home page. The step is the same for every other single page. You can add several slots, several banner widgets on the pages we are using, but pay attention that too many ads may be not very good for the user experience. So balance the amount of banners on your pages. That's very important to keep the information from your website as the main one and use the banner ads just as an alternative for content. So this is very simple to add. You can add banners. You can move them around. Let me just move below and a bit below here. So we have three different ones here grouped. So let me just save the changes on this page and we can view the results. Okay, so on the listings cards, let me edit this one because it's simple to use. So at the end of the listings cards configuration, you have this. You can display square banners and wide skyscraper, which is the rectangle one more vertical height. So let me try to put a square one here. Save the changes. And let me save again. Now let's view the home page and hopefully we can see the banners. Okay, this is one I just created. Inside the listings and cards widget, you can select banner ads. So I had one reconfigured, so that's why it's displaying here. This is a square type banner. Of course, it changed a little bit the design of my entire widget, but you can add more content here. Very simple to do that as well. So you can have both square and skyscraper banner ads. The others one I added, what are them? Okay, so I have one here. This is the leaderboard type of banner. And this is the text links. But for AdSense, just disconsider this type of widget. So we're going to use the more visual one. Okay, now we just added the widgets on the home page, and the process is the same for any page of your website. Another thing that you can do is use the listing template editor, which edits the listing detail page, so you can add banner ads inside the listings detail pages. It's useful as well, so people are looking for business and providers, etc. So looking at banners and having banners on the listing detail pages is another option to have these. So another ways of monetization. So we go here, content, listings. Just a second, it's loading. Okay, inside the listings section, you are going to find the listing templates section. So you can add any of these. Let me try to pick one that I know that's populated. Okay, here we have one. This is the listing template editor. It works only for the listing detail pages. So here we have a leaderboard banner right below the main information from the listing. So you can add this type here, right above the main information. And you can add different ones. For example, just click on this plus icon. Let's see, banners. So you have the options. Options for a square banner, wide skyscraper banner. And we also have an option which we call large mobile banner that is displayed only on mobile devices. So if people are accessing your website from the phone or from a tablet, for example, they will see this type of banner. So this one is exclusively displayed on mobile devices. That's the difference from the other types. So as I'm on the web, so I'm going to put just a square one. And that's it. So you can have banners on the listing detail pages as well. And you can configure the listing levels to save your premium plans, the ones that pays more for you, to have banners displayed on their pages. So you can use this on your sales pitch as well. Paying more for a more complete listing detail page, a listing plan, they won't have banners displayed. It's very simple to configure these. Okay, so I showed the page editor, the listen template editor. So now I'm going to create an ad inside Google Adsense. So I'm going to grab the scripts from them and to paste on my website. So here on Google Adsense and on the other alternative Gabriel mentioned, the process is the same. You are going to create one by ad units. You are going to use this option, display ads. I have already one created here, a leaderboard type one. Once you create, they're going to give you a code like this. So let me just copy for later. So that's it. I created a leaderboard type of banner inside Google AdSense. So I'm going to go back to my website. On the content section, I'm going to create a banner. So I'm going in here, add a banner. It's already on leaderboard, but you can add the different options that we offer. You can just put a caption, AdSense banner ads. I'm going to put this ads. Let me just put a renew date. Select an owner for my banner. And then I have the banner details. I'm going to run through this a little later, but to have the banners from AdSense and others, we're going to show by script. So you don't need to upload the image and other things. You just have to put to paste here the script we just copied from Google AdSense and from the other ads platforms. It's very simple to do that. Doing this, okay, your banner is already working on the website once your account's approved on AdSense and on the other websites as well. So quickly about this banner details. This is the banner placement because okay, we have the slots on the different pages of the websites. We can have the banners inside the listing detail pages, but where my banners are going to be displayed. So here is where we're going to select that. You can select the general pages that will, let me get the explanation here from our support portal, is more simple to use. So general pages, if these options is selected, the banner will display in all pages that are not related to the module's URLs, the module addresses, such as results page, detail page, advertise page, home page, contact us page, etc. If you select listing, The banner will only display in the pages related to listings, such as listings homepage, listing all categories page, listing detail page, and listing all locations page. The same applies for deals, events, classifieds, blogs. So first you have to create the slots using the banner widgets on the different pages of your website using the the page editor. And then we're going to configure the banners you are creating. And we have this option, global banner. If this option is selected, the banner will display in all the pages of the website, so you don't have to worry about placement. But this is very useful if you're using an affiliate program or another alternative for a certain category, for example, because you can select that a pay banner will be displayed just on listing pages related to a specific category, for example, beauty salons, for example. So you can configure this. So if you have different options from advertisement season, just as AdSense, the media dot com that Gabriel mentioned, the other ones from Amazon, for example. You can select different systems for different categories. The same applies for your own advertisers as well. So it's very simple to configure this. But if you are unsure about how to configure, just select global banner and it will display it where the banner slots are in your pages. I guess that's what I have, everything that I have to show you today on this hands-on part. Now we are open to questions. Gabriel, anything else to add on the placements and categories, these kind of things?
No, just that if you feel that you need some more help, Emerson just showed the article that we have on our knowledge base. We can definitely paste that link as well for you, and we'll also add that link in our blog post for this webinar.
Okay, perfect. Perfect. Questions here from Terry. If we are running an older version of the directory, can it be updated to version 13? Yes, Gabriel just posted the link to the upgrade forum. The same applies to the question from Bill. Yeah, what's the cost to upgrade to the latest version of eDirectory? It depends if you are running a monthly or annual subscription, the cost of upgrades is included. But if you have customs, there will be an additional fee to carry over the changes. But again, the step is to fill in the form and our sales rep will contact you directly. A question from Roger. Do the banner ads show on mobile or only desktop? On both. We have the options for mobile only and for desktop. And you can also, I didn't show, I'm going to share my screen again, because there is an option that you can, even you that you are the site owner, you can select that banners will be displayed on mobile app only. Not sure if it's here. Let me just save the change. Because if you have mobile apps published, you can select the banner to be displayed as this one, this website. I don't think I have the apps published, but if you have the apps published, you can select that this banner will be displayed just on the app. So it's very simple to use that as well. It's a link here. Another question here from Drummond. Can we have rolling ad banners? No, our banners are static and they are refreshed every time the page refreshes. So it changes on the refreshing, not on the on banners. A question from Damien. Can I confirm that revenue sources are directory members, non-members, AdSense, other similars, and affiliate? Yes, as Gabriel mentioned, eDirectory has the several modules for monetization that you can sell monthly or yearly to your sponsors, which are the listings, classifieds, events, articles,
And the banners.
There's one more. Banners and classifieds, listings, banners, articles, and banners. Yeah, that's it. 5 modules out of the box that you can sell. And you can have alternative revenue as well. We have a webinar about additional revenue. You can offer services and bundle it on your options. And yes, affiliate marketing is one of them.
Also, others alternatives that you can consider other than AdSense: sponsored content, email marketing, membership and subscription programs, and of course, affiliate programs.
Okay. Let's call for questions. Is there a sponsored content demo? I believe that our website, demodirectory.com, and our own marketing.demodirectory.com are very good samples for sponsored content demo. But if you need anything special, just send us email directly. Then we can drill down the answer. Okay, so no more questions. So I guess that's it. That places listings at the top. Okay, is there sponsored content then that places listings at the top? I'm not sure if I understood your question, if it's on the results page or anything related to that. But I will follow up by mail after the webinar. It's a question from Bill. Bill, I'm going to send an email, then we can go to this one. Sponsor content places the content at the top. Yes, if the user is running a search from the categories pages, so the first results will be based by level. So those who pays more on a top tier will be displayed first. So that's kind of a sponsored content on the results page. Another question, how do I access rolling ad banners? Does your software support it? No, our banners are static. Every time a page is loaded, the banner refreshes itself. So it's one banner, one view for each page loads. It's not a rolling ad banner. But the AdSense banner, they are not static, so they can have some movement, etc. But it's for each individual banner. But you can have several slots on the same page. Okay, I guess that's it for today then. So we're going to have a quick survey at the end of this webinar. So your feedback is highly welcome. It helps us improve our content for the next event. So once again, thanks for your time today, and we will see you again in 2 weeks. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, everybody. Bye.